Hello everyone, we are Team Kiladi. I am Prapthi.
I am Akshaja.
And I am Charvi.
We are studying in grade 7 Excel Public School, Koorgalli, Mysore. Our ATL theme is Education and Skill Development.
Our problem statement is Toys, Games for Education. Designing toys and games that will help children under age 2 to 12 learn better in interactive and fun way.
Children between the ages of 3 to 5 need to develop fine motor skills to enable them to perform tasks such as holding pencils, threading laces, and other intricate hand movements. The designed toy features rows of dowels and ball holders, serves as targeted solution to enhance crucial fine motor skills, offering an interactive and enjoyable approach to learning. It directly contributes to the broader goal of creating educational toys that seamlessly integrate into a child's playtime, ensuring a harmonious blend of fun and essential skill development during the early stages of education. By interviewing 26 preschool teachers to understand in what ways do they teach fine motor skills and what toys do they use to develop and improve fine motor skills.
The toy is made up using an acrylic sheet of 4 mm thickness, wooden dowels, ping pong balls and caps to hold the balls. These caps were 3D printed in our ATL lab. The acrylic sheet were used to make a box of the dimensions 24 into 24 inches. The left and right panels of the acrylic sheet have 1 cm diameter holes to have the dowels. The holes are placed 7 cm apart and 6 cm diagonally below one another. On top of the panels of the box, a 1.1 inch diameter hole is placed to drop the ping pong ball. At the base of the right hand panel, a window is placed to collect the balls. The caps to hold the balls were 3D printed in our ATL lab of the school. The diameter of the cap is 1.2 cm and the height of the edge is 1 cm. A prototype of the same toy was made using a cardboard box, skewer sticks and the bottle caps.
To play with the toy, release the ping pong ball through the upper panel hole and drop it into the cap affixed to the dowel in the first row. Align the caps on the second dowel directly beneath the cap on the first dowel by rotating, pushing and pulling dowels and aligning at an approximately 60-degree angle, facilitating the fall and catch of the ball onto the cap positioned below. Play with the toy following the same mechanism till the last dowel in the toy.
I have worked on creating the questions for the interview and I built the model.
I have researched about toys used for improving fine motor skills. I helped with the documentation.
I have worked on the model and helped with the documentation. We together worked on making our model and researched and developed the document.